Hello there.
Hey people, it's Kier from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets day 40. Alright guys, so let's continue on with this process, shall we? Now first off, let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business. I think it's the best system to promote right now, period. I think it's the best system to promote right now. One of the items that you get is a funnel builder, which you'll need if you do online business anyway, and it's at a very cheap price, along with everything else you get. But the funnel builder is very solid for the price. It's very high quality. It's as good as the best in the market, and the best in the market cost $97 a month, so something like that, with a bunch of limitations as well. And second of all, reason I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions every single month. That is amazing. Now, if anybody knows about recurring commissions, for most part, usually it's maybe you can make it's high at beginning, but it goes down like half. Like say it may be like 30%, and then go down to 15% for the next month, and the next month after that, like that. But this system is 80% recurring all the way through, which is the highest on heard of, period. So that's a good reason why I like promoting it. You make the most money out of it. And another thing is, like, the amount that you need is very low compared to other businesses to start a business. You know what I mean? A lot of other systems cost a whole lot more, but this is like fair prices. You know what I mean? That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let's refresh the page, see if we got a sale. Okay, we did not get a sale yesterday. That's very good, but it's okay, guys. As you see, I made $1,332 total commissions this whole time using just my lead gen secrets, which is amazing. All right, so let's go ahead and do my lead gen secrets here. I forgot to log in for you guys. I'm gonna log in. Log in. All right, so okay, that did okay. Let's continue here. I'm gonna click the whole thing here. Now this is the one I did, right? So we're gonna go for with this one. We haven't did this one yet, I don't think. Yeah. So yeah, just copy that right there. Get your $100K a year, 12 months or less. If y'all want to copy it, you can copy it. As you can see, it's a very short email here. And we're just gonna send it like this, guys. Very short email. You can pause that and figure out what you want to do. Make sure you click on perfect timing like I just did there, and send an email around the time people check the email, so it end up on top of the list, so it's a better chance of them checking it. You know. And make sure your link works as well. This is the link you want to put in right here. Let me show you guys. The link you want to use is the all-in-one $25 business. This link here, you just copy that and put it in there right here, you know, using the link right here. All right guys, that's about all there is to it. So we're gonna send this email very quickly because ain't much else to say, and you can do this every day, guys. It don't take much time at all. It only took me 4 minutes to do that, guys. Once you add up your emails, it won't take that long at all. So anyway, guys, we gonna that's about it, man. The links is in the description. There's also a link on my profile page. I'm at my channel page. iDigi Affiliate up there at the top right corner, I think. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.